The internet is not what it used to be. I used to see it as a series of flat images and documents. Also slow. I remember being very slow. Once internet speeds rose and video playback on the internet became possible, I literally couldn't think of any way it could possibly get better. But here we are today, in a time when the internet is becoming a place where actual 3D experiences live and are accessible right from the web, with no extra downloads or apps. One of the most exciting steps in that evolution is called webxr. webxr is the tech that lets VR and AR run right out of your browser, and it works across devices like phones, VR headsets, and AR glasses. So why is this important to you? I don't know. Can a guy just share some wisdom? I'm kidding. There are just so many ways to use and develop with webxr that make it really worth exploring. I think one of the most important things about webxr is, again, it makes 3D and XR experiences available right out of your browser, and that doesn't just mean making gaming on the internet more accessible. Educational tools like virtual museums, job simulations that allow you to interact with your simulated environment, and even shopping using AR that shows you how products might look in real life before purchasing are all huge ways that webxr has made the web more efficient. And it's supported by many game engines that developers already use today. Engines like Unity, Godot, and PlayCanvas. So how does it help you, someone who's not a developer? Honestly, I'm not sure. If you can't code, I don't know what to tell you. Okay, I'm kidding again. One of the coolest parts about webxr is that it actually doesn't require you to be a developer or write any code at all in order to use it. There are applications that allow you to create browser-ready VR and AR experiences without writing a single line of code thanks to webxr. Take PlayCanvas, for example. When creating experiences for VIVERSE, which by the way is our web platform where you can explore VR, PC, and mobile experiences all in one place, you can use a browser-based game engine called PlayCanvas that allows you to create games and other immersive experiences without any programming knowledge. Picture this. You open up PlayCanvas in your web browser, no installations needed. From there, you can drag in a 3D model like, I don't know, a chair or something, move it around, resize it, and add lighting just by clicking and dragging. Once you're happy with your scene, call it something fitting. I'll call mine Chair World. Then in just a few clicks, you can upload your project to VIVERSE and enable VR devices, of course, thanks to webxr. Now you can open up the VR experience on any compatible device. And if you want to share it more widely, you can upload it directly to VIVERSE, where anyone can explore it instantly from their browser. Creating with VIVERSE also grants you built-in multiplayer capabilities, avatar choices, and an overall interactive experience. And of course, knowing how to code opens up even more avenues for you, but learning? Not on my watch. This is perfect for anyone who's looking to create simple, quick, and ready-to-use applications. All jokes aside, webxr is simply making the internet a more immersive place, especially for people that might not be familiar with coding. webxr is blurring the line between apps we download and the web we click into. It's not just websites anymore, it's worlds too. Let me know what AR or VR experiences you'd create with webxr, and then drag and drop that mouse cursor over to the subscribe button. No coding required. Just a few clicks. Actually, just one click, because if you click it twice, it undoes the whole, you know what I'm saying.